I'm Gabrielle Pantera. I'm here with Angelica Hildebrand of Ulinks. Tell me about Ulinks.
Okay, Ulinks is magnetic modular jewelry.
Okay.
Modular in every sense of the word. I'm going to go ahead and show you. These are our links, and they work as links to hold all of your charms together.
Okay.
What's really cool about it is that each and every piece is individual.
Oh, okay.
So you can break it apart anywhere you want
and remake it into something
exactly.
else.
So you can make a bracelet, or you can decide you're over the bracelet and you want to make a really fun, funky ring.
Ooh.
Let's just throw this around. You've got a really cool ring. Let's maybe drop one of these in here and you've got a completely different look. So these here, if you take a look, we have 24 of our 36 colors and patterns displayed. We stick to two basic shapes, round and square. And how it works is you basically choose the clicks, which are the charms. You basically choose the clicks that scream at you, the ones that you like. Maybe it's based on your mood, your personal style, what you're wearing right now.
Okay.
So let's say for what you're wearing right now, this is a really nice black and silver floral pattern.
We like.
And I'm going to show you a couple different ways you can make a bracelet. You can do something really simple and dainty and classy like this.
Yeah, we're going to get them together.
You could go ahead.
Wait. Did you get it? Okay.
Even further and add in a couple different charms. So let's do this. Now you can see I have two of the links in between the clicks, which give it a completely different look. And that's a completely different bracelet. I could go ahead and switch it again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate it and just put it on a string.
Oh, so it's just a real long.
So it's just a really long.
Oh,
there
great.
we go. These are like a lot of people who've been playing around with these today and over the last couple of days have termed this your kind of adult Legos, because it really is so much fun. Now this is obviously a bit big for you, but you see what I'm.
Because we can adjust that. And
absolutely. And then you have a completely different look. If you want to do something really, really simple, you could just take
a long one. You can make a necklace.
You could make a necklace. Now because they're magnetic, there's north and south poles, so you can't force anything to.
Right.
You can't force anything to come together. So it's best to just, if you're working with something, it's best to just take a piece and drop it and let it find where it belongs.
That makes sense. Love it.
Would you like to go ahead and make one today?
Sure.
Do you want to make a bracelet or a ring?
I think a bracelet.
All right.
Let me give the mic back to my camera operator. And let's see so much. Oh, there it goes, all on its own. But let's see what else. I actually like that one about it. Oh, there's a round one too. Can we mix round and square?
You can. There has to be links in between. Do you want to pick out the ones that you like, and then I'll make it for you? I've just got to.
Oh, sure. I made red and purple. Oh, I didn't realize it was the same thing here. Sorry about that.
No, with the square and circles, you have to have links in between.
Yeah, I know they came together.
Yeah, mix square around
and then it's just, I know.
No, thank you. It was my pleasure. I'm serious. Enjoy. Let's try this on the side. You're welcome. It's ulinksjewelry.com, and we're also on Facebook and Twitter.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you.